In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove this because a lot of people were saying that it's hard, but actually it's not that hard. Actually removing it, it's super easy. See? You just sort of turn it this direction here like this, and it comes right off, no problem whatsoever. No problem whatsoever. Putting it back on is a little bit more challenging, and that is because you want these things here to be put in like this, and then turn it, you see, turn it a little bit so that it goes in there, and then it's as easy as one little click and it goes into place like that. All done, all done. So they said this was super hard to take off and put back on, and that part they got wrong. It's pretty easy to do so long as you do it just right. So remember to put it at that angle as I showed before. Maybe go back in the video and watch that again if you're struggling with it, and it should be super easy for you. Then you have this kind of strap.
Likey.